This washing machine's been broke down for about 3 days. We've been going to go out tomorrow and get a new $600 washing machine. And we've had this thing, I don't know, about 8 years. I went ahead and put a new clutch in it, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. You know, it was $175. You got to dismantle the whole thing, pull the drum out, and it's a big clutch that goes in the bottom of this drum. I just happened to be looking on the internet. Some guy said he fixed his for 25 cents. And I got to watching his video, and I said, nah, that can't be. I fixed mine for a dime. This dime, literally, if you look at it, it got jammed in between that plate you see spinning and the side of the drum, and all you could see sticking out was literally the top of that dime. So I fished it out with a butter knife and got a hold of it with a pair of channel locks. Now I've got it on a rinse mode because it's been sitting with water in it for nearly a week, because it wouldn't do anything, it would just buzz because that dime got so jammed in there. Look at that. Look at the edge of that dime. Look at that thing. Goddamn, saved $700.